So you see this deck board right here? It's got some space in it. You can see the boards are nice and butted up, but as I get to the end here, it's kind of bowed out, and it's too much of a bow that I can't bend it in straight. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple techniques to bow deck boards in place so that they line up perfectly every time. So for the first trick, I'm actually going to use a ratchet strap to ratchet it in place. So pretty straightforward here. Ratchet strap like this. This. Come back around. Get nice and tight, start strapping. So as I ratchet, it pulls that board into place. All right, now we are nice and tight. Then we just need to screw it in place. Oh, damn it, my sunglasses just fell in the water. But anyway, so that's it for that technique. When I unloosen the strap, we still have a nice tight seam. So that's trick 1. Awesome. All right, for the second technique, I'm going to show you what might work good when you have kind of a bow in the middle of the board and not on the edge. And this is where you pick the board up just a little bit and put the screw in at the angle while it's elevated, and as it's pulling the board down, it should pull it over a little bit. So I'll demonstrate here. So I got a little gap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a screw in here at an angle, but as I drive it, I'm going to lift the board a little bit like that. So let's see how that works. Okay, so I'm going to lift the board a little bit. See, and that brought it over tight. Right, so for my third way of doing this is I will go ahead and temporary tack this scrap piece of wood into one of my stringer boards and then use that to pry off of to get leverage to minimize the space between the deck boards. This is pretty simple. It's my least favorite technique if I can get away with doing something else, because I have to put extra holes in a board, and I don't know, that might prematurely lead to rot faster, but I use it all the time and it does work. So here we go. So then I put a pry board in like this, and then as I push on it, it pulls that over. See? Pretty cool. You can also do it like this if you want. Take my pry bar in, and then pull back on it, and then screw it down in the position. And now I can take this off. Alright guys, that's it. Those are my 3 tips. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. And if you guys have any other tips on how to do this, please share in the comments below. Thanks for watching.